Electric cars are reshaping the future of transportation, but behind every smooth, silent ride is a complex powerhouse, the battery. While most drivers only think about how far they can go on a charge, very few understand how electric car batteries are actually made. The truth is more intricate and more important than most people realize. An electric vehicle battery isn't just a single block of power, it's a sophisticated system made up of thousands of small lithium-ion cells working together. And the journey from raw materials to a functioning EV battery begins deep beneath the Earth's surface. It all starts with mining. The key elements used in most EV batteries include lithium, cobalt, nickel, manganese, and graphite. These minerals are extracted from mines located across the globe. Lithium from South America, cobalt from the Congo, nickel from Indonesia, and more. The process is energy-intensive and it comes with environmental and ethical challenges. Water usage, land disruption, and labor conditions are ongoing concerns, especially in developing regions. Once the raw materials are mined, they are sent to refining plants where they are purified and processed into usable forms. Lithium, for example, may be converted into lithium carbonate or lithium hydroxide. These compounds are then shipped to battery manufacturing facilities where the real assembly begins. Inside the plant, engineers start building battery cells, the smallest units of the battery system. A cell contains 4 key components: cathode, usually made from lithium nickel manganese cobalt oxide; anode, commonly graphite; electrolyte, which enables ion movement; separator, a thin layer that keeps the anode and cathode apart. These cells are manufactured with extreme precision in dry, controlled environments. Even a microscopic impurity can cause a failure. Once the cells are tested, they are grouped into modules, and multiple modules are then arranged into a full battery pack. This pack is what's installed into the vehicle. Modern battery packs include thermal management systems, battery management electronics, and strong protective casings. These systems control temperature, monitor health, balance charge across cells, and prevent fires or failures. But making the battery is just the beginning. The next challenge is ensuring longevity, recyclability, and sustainability. Battery makers are now developing ways to reuse old battery materials, reduce dependence on rare minerals, and increase energy density without sacrificing safety. So why does this matter? Because the future of mobility depends on how responsibly and efficiently we can build these batteries. The entire industry is in transition, moving from fossil fuels to electrification, and every step of that shift has consequences. Manufacturing EV batteries isn't just a technological process, it's an ethical decision, a global commitment. And in this evolving landscape, the people who understand the details, who ask where things come from, how they're made, and what impact they carry, are the ones who move forward with clarity. Not because it's easy, but because they refuse to drive blindly into the future. If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments and I will make the next video for you.